Hello everyone, welcome to my new FL Studio video series. In this video, I want to show you how to create basic drum pattern using FL Studio tools. Okay, let's go to the video and see how to do it. First, I am open my FL Studio software. Then in this pattern one, I am create kick pattern is fill each 4 steps. Then again 4 steps like this. Now I am at clap like this. I made heads like this. Like this I am add heads to this my pattern one. Like this. I am at kicks then hats. Now I am add into this track like this. Now I am change this pattern one color into change the color into yellow. Kick pattern like this. Now I am create another pattern is drum pattern one. Then change the color into like this. Then press enter. Now I am go to this. Now add FPC. Now I am click this arrowhead. Then enter. You can see like this drum patterns in this FL Studio. Now I am keep like this output into 5 in our mixer. Then again this is keeping to 6. This also in 7. Like this. If you want to change the sound in each drums in this packs drums, you can see like these snares. You can hear. You can drag and drop each into like this. But I'm use this one. Now I am cut this. You can see like this. Now I am add this into my tracks. Now I am go to song mode, then play. Like this. Now I am cut this, then again add another one is kick 2. Then it and add 4 by 4 like this. Then I am add in this middle. Then add this all tracks. Go to this song to pattern mode. Like this. Now I'll add it into here. Go to song mode. Now I am add this into hats like this. Like this. Now I am got this kick like this. Now I want to add rises. Go into rises. I am adding to here like this. Now in this my drum pattern, I am changed into mixture, then play. Go to pattern mode. Like this I am change my tracks. Now I am erase this, then add another track is drum pattern 2. Then change the color into pink. Then go to this. Now I am at the FPS to another one. Okay, it is good. Now I am adding to here. Now I am cut, and this one also. Now I am add this one. Now I am erase this. Now add it into here. 2 is enough. Like this. You can select this and move into like this. Now add into here. Now play. In this end, I am add this again into here. Then add this riser also into here. Like this. Now I am playing. Add this into here. Like this, you can see. Now I am save this. Now I am save this like my drum pattern. Like this, I am save this. Now I am save this as MP3. Go to export, then MP3 file. Now I am change this into drum pattern song. Like this. Then save. Now click this start. Now it is rendering. After rendering, you can cut and check your song. Okay, let's meet in brand new video.